Ozzy's creation video, doing a bit of a run to support a drought-ravaged community. Local car club, we've got DeSoto's, we've got EH's, we've got Monaros, we've got a Mustang, and I've taken the little 3 Series E46 out for a run today, one of our daily drivers, and go and share a bit of the love in the community. We'll have a good day.
The drought's hitting hard out in these western blocks as we're heading down into the little town of Delungra. It's a beautiful drive into Delungra, but really sad to see the farms in such a bad state. It's a beautiful bit of road travelling down through here as we come up to the little town of Delungra. We're 20 k's out of Warialda now. The land looks broken no matter where you look, but not the people. You'll still see smiles on the faces. They'll welcome us in, cook us a lunch and say thanks for coming. Should be a great time. Show them our cars, bring a bit of money into town and have a great day.
Hi guys, here we are at Warialda, little town out in the northwest. This is our contingent parked up, ready for people to have a bit of a look and share a bit of the love.
It's a great little area out here where we live. Just because we're out in the country doesn't mean we can't put on a good show. What a good selection of cars, brought out to spend some time, share some love and have a day in the sun.